Now let's come over and look at CL next this morning. Let's flip out to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so off the last low, the B wave, I've got a 1 2 1 2 1 2, and we're now in this 3 here. And I'm expecting the 3 of this move to come up to the 2.0 extension at 82.08. Within that, I think we're just finishing off this 3 here as a series. We're into that series of 3 4 3 4 or 4 5 4 5s, whichever way you want to think of it. So I'm looking for a move up to the 1618 at 78.93, then another pullback, and then the 5th up to here. Now breaking that down onto each time frame down, we had a dip yesterday on the inventory news. I think this is some kind of last ending diagonal for the 5 of this 3, looking for 77.21, then a move back to 75.77 to 74.90, and then the move up here and 4 5 4 5. So in terms of trading it, unless you've got a swing long and you're just holding it, there's 2 options here. You pick the next 4 and get your entry and just hold it is one way of doing it. You can do it with the ETFs or leveraged versions, or you can just day trade. I wouldn't day trade the down moves, okay? We're in the heart of a 3rd wave. Therefore, the down moves can be shallower than expected, and the upside parts of the moves can extend. So sensible way to do this is buy the dips, so to speak, and each of these, providing they hit and hold their levels, which is pretty much what we did yesterday. I know it was a bit more adventurous yesterday because it was a spike and reversal off a news item, but they all count, I assure you. So that's the way to play CL from here on in, I would suggest. And then just down to the 15-minute chart, this is kind of invalidated this move here being an impulse up to this 2.0. So the options are that we're getting a diagonal, and this is the 4th, and we get a 5th, or we've got a 1 up, this is a 2, and we're going to extend in this move to a lot higher. Those are the 2 possibilities here in the short term in CL. Okay, let's come across and look at our favorite instrument of the day, natural gas. So reasonably simple actually, in that we came up here yesterday and hit this 1.0 extension. That's based on the length of this move as projected up off here, okay? We've reversed off it, but we've not got anywhere near enough downside action to confirm that as a top. We either stop there or we push through it. The next level is 33.32. It's as simple as that. And then we start to come down, one or the other. So just watching it all the way down, funny enough, to a tick chart. Thanks, Brian, for getting me addicted to those. There's yesterday's peak. We came up and hit the 786 overnight of that back. We've got another very scrappy overlooking move down, and we haven't taken that high out. We need to take out 32.23 next, just as another little step along the way to perhaps proving that we've got a top in natural gas now.